Oh, it's a Jailbreak. Any markup on these cars? Look, y'all. Look how packed this parking lot is. I park all the way over here, and somebody parked right beside me. Not directly beside me, but beside me. All them spots. At least they did park one over. Alright guys, I'm at the Dodge dealership. They got a Hellcat in here, and I heard they got some Scatpacks. So we about to go up here, man, and see what's going on. I'm gonna show y'all what they got on the front real quick. As y'all can see, they got 300, like a V6, then they got another V6 Charger right there. The Scatpack that's in here is also used. They got a lot of cars around here. But let's go up here and see what's going on. The Cat, this thing is beautiful. Everybody looking for a wide body Cat. White joint. This music is blowing me, y'all. They got this music super loud. This thing is nice. It's a regular Cat. Man, I like this joint. Oh, this thing clean too. Somebody got the seat all the way up on the dashboard. I'm gonna sit in here and see what the room like. This is beautiful. Oh, it's a Jailbreak. I like this joint. This is nice. This is where the stick at. Got a sunroof. That's why I be trying to tell y'all, man. You can get a used Cat, man. You just gotta get the right one. This thing is like immaculate in the inside. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like this. This is nice, y'all. As you can see, this thing is clean. Oh yeah. These are my favorite wheels right here. I like these wheels. Oh yeah. It's nice right here, man. What year is this? 23? Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, I saw that Jailbreak. I should have known that. Any markup on these cars? You got a markup on these? Any markups? Nah. No markups. 23 Scat. Oh, these are 23s. This is nice, man. Oh, these are fresh. Yeah, that's nice, right? Looks like they already got a little bit of tint on it. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, that's a manual. I'm surprised I still got this manual, man. This hard. Oh yeah, they crazy. This hard to find right here. Yeah, these are nice, man. Clean. Like these the only ones left. How you doing, man? All right. 56, 23.
If this continues, they're not going to be making them anymore.
Yeah, I know.
So they're going to be collectibles.
Oh, yeah.
These babies, they were afraid because everybody's going to want one when there's not.
Yeah, they're not anymore. That's right. Yep. That's
this color. That's an icon.
Yeah, this is nice right here, man.
Looks amazing.
This is real nice. I swear these cars be looking so good sitting in the showroom floor. So there y'all go. Alright, now I'm outside. They still got this Durango, RT Durango. Nope. Yep. This truck been here for a while. Durango. Yeah, I know I like Durango. That song got spider wheels on it. That's crazy. Is that my man with the TRX? Yeah. That joint sick right there. And it sound good. That thing mean. Oh yeah. Yeah, she sound beautiful. What's up, man? Yeah, I'm coolin'. That thing sound good, man. Don't get rid of it. All right, guys, so as you can see, man, they got 1 cat left and 2 scats in there. Them narrow bodies look nice. I don't care what nobody say. Them joints are nice. Now we're gonna ride over here real quick to a used lot and see if they got anything over here. I see they got that used Escalade right there. That joint nice. And he said somebody traded in that manual Scat. Ain't no way I would have got rid of that joint. That's super hard to find. A manual Scat. And them guys, man, they sit in that joint like, they don't really have no cars like these dealerships, man. I swear it's what's the boy named Tavares? He really screwing these dealerships over, man. He ain't giving them no cars to sell, no incentives, nothing, man. But you see, they got all these used cars over here, but they can't move them. I'm just so glad I was able to get put this joint in sport mode. I gotta get across the street. I'm so glad I was able to get my 300, man. Because I never see these cars for sale anywhere around here where I am. You go online, you may can find one for sale, but they want an arm and a leg for it. Let's see if they got anything over here on the used lot. Look like the same cars. I'm not even gonna get out if I don't see nothing new, guys. A bunch of Hornets. Roll the window down. Yep, same cars. Got the Jeeps, the V6 Chargers. They got a whole bunch of Wranglers, man. Those the Wrangos I showed y'all last time. And a whole bunch of Wranglers down there. But that's it. Let's go over here. I like these Grand Cherokees, but I just heard people have a lot of problems with them. But I really like that right there. That's a nice truck. Hornets, look at all these Hornets. That's crazy. Yep, those are the Durangos I showed you guys last time. Then you got the Hornets right there. But this weekend, guys, I plan to go a little further out because there's a Dodge dealership that actually has a whole bunch of Hellcats. From what I'm understanding, they're actually on a secret lot though. Like, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to actually go see all of them, but I got a little connect out there, so maybe he'll let me check out some of the Hellcats. I've been wanting to do a quick little dealership video. A lot of people been asking me, man. I've been getting some messages. People ask me, do I know where any used Hellcats are for good prices? From what I understand, they not charging no markups here. So if you're in the market for a Hellcat, that's a nice one to get, man. That's a 23 Jailbreak, but that Scatpack, one of them was a trade-in, the manual. So I'm gonna leave a link to the dealership in the description so y'all go down there and check them out. If you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. Every now and then, guys, I go to the dealerships if you're new to my channel. And like I say, people who have bought cars watching my dealership videos. I was the original OG of the dealership walkarounds, man. Then everybody started doing them. And now you got some people that do these dealership videos. That's all they do. That's their content, just walk around the dealership. But, you know, it's all good. It's whatever. It don't matter. So I hate to rush you guys, man, but I actually have somewhere I got to be. So I just wanted to make this quick video real quick. That's why I'm not doing a whole bunch of extra stuff right now, because I actually have somewhere I need to be. So I appreciate y'all watching, man. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I see y'all on the next one. Peace.